Last week I called in 2 smokes, which means I witnessed 2 wildfires just as they started, determined their concise location, and called dispatch with all this information so that they can send out wildland firefighters to stop these fires. And I just happened to turn the cameras on just as the lightning started, so I was able to accidentally even catch the lightning strike that started this one. Here's a little view of it. You can see it right on the horizon. Got a weather update for you. We have another active cell coming up from the south. I called in that weather update at about 8:45. The flash of lightning right there happens to be the lightning that started this fire, and you can see me right here notice the actual fire. First thing I do is jump up and walk over to the Osborne fire finder and determine the azimuth of the fire, which is essentially the direction or the bearing that the fire is in relation to the fire tower. Then, to make a long story short, I'm going to cross-reference a bunch of maps and do my best to determine an exact location, or as very close as I can get to it as possible. While doing that, I'm watching the fire, determining the size, the behavior, and the fuels, and any other information that I can share with dispatch when I call them. It was pretty neat to have this on film because then I was able to determine how long all of this took. And from the time that I saw the fire and to the time that I called it into dispatch was about 4 minutes. This is an example of how important these jobs are and how much more information we can share than a camera.